answering these will be a good, quick little review for us. Melting is water from what phase label to becoming what? Melting. Solid to liquid. There we go. And then freezing is the opposite. Liquid to solid. What is sublimation? We talked about that a long time ago, but solid to gas. Okay. Now, remember, we can think about endothermic and exothermic in terms of are the molecules having to move faster or slower, right? So when they are melting, they go from a solid where they're all sort of locked up in that structure just kind of vibrating to a liquid where they're all scooting past each other, right? So if the molecules are having to move faster for a liquid, is that an endothermic process or an exothermic process for melting? Yeah, melting is endothermic because we have to provide energy in to make those molecules move faster, right? So the opposite would be exo. What about sublimation? What do you think that one is? Solid to gas. It's sort of it's a similar sort of trend. We're just kind of skipping liquid. Yeah. And this example here on the bottom with CO2 solid. Anybody know what CO2 solid is called?
Dry ice.
Yep, we got that. That's dry ice. And it's called dry ice because it goes straight from solid to gas. Okay? It sublimes or sublimates. Okay? And a way to think of it, here's CO2 solid. The molecules are all stacked up, okay? Going straight to gas. What are the molecules like in a gas? They go crazy. How close are they to their neighbors? Not. They're pretty much far apart, and they're flying around pretty fast, right? So let's just draw some little CO2s here. I'm just drawing molecules here, a couple of them. And they're just kind of flying all over the place, but one more over there. Okay. So, and the way that works is that molecules with a certain shape are able to just kind of launch off of the surface of that if they have enough energy. Okay. So that's really what happens at standard atmospheric pressure. At least we don't melt CO2; it just sublimes directly into the gas. And then if it gets cold enough, or if it gets compressed enough, it can deposit itself right back into a solid, too. So be sure to, a nice little review, especially of endothermic and exothermic. Make sure you know what direction those things